This concludes Section 1 Overview. We will continue to Modules Section 1 Introduction to Differentiated Instruction, characterizing differentiated instruction. Please locate page 13, Section 1 Overview, as we look at an overview of Section 1. Focus on the subheading of page 13, Section 1, Course Kudos. As previously discussed, each section of the course has course kudos. These course kudos delineate what you should know, understand, and be able to do at the conclusion of this section. The course kudos for Section 1 are: discuss the compelling whys for implementing differentiated instruction in the classroom. Explain the components of differentiated instruction in the classroom, FrameCab, and the ways in which these components guide and inform all aspects of DI implementation. Please focus on the subheading on page 13, Section 1, Essential Concepts and Skills. As we move through the course, each section has guiding questions that focuses on the essential concepts and skills for that section. The guiding questions for Section 1 are: why differentiate instruction? What do I need to understand about DI before I begin implementing it in my own classroom? Our goal is for you to be able to answer these questions at the end of this section. Please take a moment to read the quote on the bottom of page 13. As you read, highlight a phrase that you think is most important. Look inside almost any classroom today and you'll see a mirror of our country. You'll find students from multiple cultures, some of whom are trying to bridge languages and behaviors in two worlds. Students with very advanced learning skills sit next to students who struggle mightily with one or more school subjects. Children with vast reservoirs of background experience share space with peers whose world is circumscribed by the few blocks of their neighborhood. All these students have the right to expect enthusiastic teachers who are ready to meet the students as they are, and to move them along the pathway of learning as far and as fast as possible. What phrase in this quote stood out to you? Do all students have the right to expect enthusiastic teachers? As teachers, should we be ready to meet the students where they are and move them as far as possible? Were you drawn to the diversity evident in the quote? This concludes Section 1 Overview. We will continue to Modules Section 1 Introduction to Differentiated Instruction, characterizing differentiated instruction.